Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to see what someone likes on Instagram. Currently, we are on our profile page, and I need to mention that there used to be a feature that allowed us to see others people's interests. However, at present, you can only view others users' likes when you stumble upon a particular post. This implies that if you, for instance, I am intrigued by an account and wish to see which post that user has liked, I cannot do so directly from their profile page. You can look for posts that have a special encryption indicating that someone from your following list has liked them. Currently, this is the only way to check others' likes. Unfortunately, the option to view what others people post, shares, and likes is no longer available, and there is currently no other way to access this information. The only way is to check the description below and selected post and check if this person liked this image or this post or not. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.